Welcome to the lecture series of Fourier transform. Today we are going to see a problem under Fourier cosine transform. Look at the question. Find Fourier cosine transform of 1 by x square plus a square. So this is what the question. So we are going to find the Fourier cosine transform for 1 by x square plus a square. Very well known result under the Fourier cosine transform is e power minus ax. We know that Fourier cosine transform of e power minus ax equal to root of 2 by pi a by s square plus a square. So using this result only we are going to do this problem. So now we are going to take the inversion formula for Fourier cosine transform. We know the inversion formula f of x is equal to root of 2 by pi integral 0 to infinity Fourier cosine transform of f of x into cos sx dx. In this one we are going to substitute the Fourier cosine transform of e power minus ax. So which is equal to root of 2 by pi integral 0 to infinity fc of f of x, that is nothing but root of 2 by pi a by s square plus a square into cos sx ds. So now this is a constant we can take outside. Already one root of 2 by pi is there. So we can get 2 by pi and a is a constant. So that also we can take outside. Integral 0 to infinity cos sx 1 by s square plus a square into cos sx ds. Now what is our left hand side? Left hand side is f of x, that is nothing but e power minus ax. So e power minus ax equal to, now here you are getting this result. Now we are going to change the variables, changing x and s. Therefore e power minus as, wherever x comes we will making as s, 2a by pi integral 0 to infinity 1 by x square plus a square into cos sx dx. Now look at the question. Question we have to find out 1 by x square plus a square. So now we will take the integration to the left hand side. So which implies integral 0 to infinity 1 by x square plus a square into cos sx dx equal to, we will multiply this pi by 2a into e power minus as. Now in our question we have to find out the Fourier cosine transform for 1 by x square plus a square. Now this is of the form of Fourier cosine only, but here we need that root of 2 by pi. If it is root of 2 by pi is there, then this is the cosine transform for 1 by x square plus a square. So now what we are going to do is we are going to multiply root of 2 by pi on both sides. Whatever we are doing an equation, we have to do it on both sides. So this implies root of 2 by pi integral 0 to infinity 1 by x square plus a square into cos sx dx equal to root of 2 by pi by 2a into e power minus as. Now look at the left hand side. Left hand side is nothing but what? Left hand side is nothing but Fourier cosine transform of 1 by x square plus a square. This is the result. So therefore fc of 1 by x square plus a square equal to root of pi by 2 e power minus as by a. Here we can get pi can be written as root pi into root pi. One root pi will be cancelled. Same manner root 2 into root 2, so root 2 will be also cancelled. So we can get the answer as root of pi by 2 e power minus as by a. This is what the answer for given f of x. Thank you for watching.